If you own a home here in New Jersey, but you have already moved out of state, here's the question that keeps you up at night. How do I sell it without flying back and forth every other week? Here's the truth. Here's the truth. Finding a buyer was never the hard part. The hard part is being in two places at once, taking care of the permits, the smoke certifications, the inspection items that need a contractor on site, a closing that assumes you are local. Every one of these items assumes someone is physically here. That's where I come in. I am Rupa Nampally, also known as Rupa Realtor, and I become your eyes and hands on the ground. I price your home on real local I price your home on real local data, closed sales, and current competition so we maximize your value instead of guessing at it. I market it to bring the strongest offers. I meet the inspectors, pull the permits, handle the smoke certificate, and supervise any repairs. And I protect you through all of it by vetting buyers, negotiating the inspections, and coordinating a closing you can sign remotely. I have done this exactly for out of state owners, including during the pandemic time when flying back wasn't even an option. And one thing I'll always flag early, never at the closing table: New Jersey's non resident seller tax. Plan for it with your accountant, and you will hear about it from me up front because protecting you means no surprises with your money. If you are selling a New Jersey home from another state, you don't have to do it alone. Call or text me at 732 395 3944, and I'll handle the ground while you stay right where you are.